Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. So today I am unboxing or sharing with you guys what I got in the Sticker Club subscription from Erin Condren. All right, well, let's jump in. I'm going to kind of just flip through and share with you. This is a subscription that comes seasonally. It doesn't come every month, and I like it that way. It's kind of fun to get some new things. So this is kind of like how they're using the different stickers that came in to give you an idea. And then I'll just kind of flip through what came. So it comes in this bag or this envelope here. I got a puppy walking by and it's really pretty, but there's this really like puffy sticker, which is super cute. Looks like it's got like little, it looks like snowflakes or whatever, but probably give this to my daughter. It's a little juvenile for me. Love this. This is a notepad that goes with that same theme. It kind of reminds me of Frozen. And it's got some papers here. Does it say how many? Mark your page while taking notes, making lists. I may even save this for my daughter for Christmas. She may like this. So it's a page marker. I thought it was like a notepad. Maybe it is. We'll see. Maybe it's a page marker notepad. I got some gift labels here in those pretty fall colors. And they do a good job at like giving you some different variety in your sticker subscription. And then this is my second time receiving my subscription. I got one in the spring or the summer, I think. And so you usually get like a decorative sticker page, or at least what I got last time was, and then a functional. So this matches the fall colors, and we've got flags and check boxes to do, rescheduled, bills due, canceled this week, and payday. And then all these page flags that or not page flags, labels that I love. I feel like I can never get enough of these. I don't need so much of these or these, but they're pretty. Okay, I got a Thanksgiving theme one, so this looks like it'd be for like November. Loving all these colors. And then the exact same page, but in the colors that match. And then the last one being Christmas or the holidays, depending on what you celebrate. So we've got like a peachy, different color greens and a red and like a burgundy-ish color. And then it goes with this one. So it looks like they have some Hanukkah as well as Christmas, kind of be celebrating different holidays. And it's just really pretty, really pretty. So that's what I got. This is a little bit of a shorter video, but I wanted to share if you were interested in getting the sticker subscription. I enjoyed it, something fun to open each season, and so it doesn't come too often, but I do love the quality of their stickers. Everything I will say is matte, but then with this foil. So this one like has the silver, this one has some gold. It just depends. So this one's like silver again. So definitely not a need, but it is a fun want, and it's not too pricey. So I'll leave the information in the description box if it's something you're interested in.